guys, your favorite vlog, the Sloth! And I am here to do my SCF, and if you do not know what that means already, it means Sweet Conspiracy Friday video. So yes, wait, let's see what this person has on trade first. Cool stuff, but those things aren't actually worth a den beta, so I cannot trade you, I'm sorry. Okay, let's get to my DEN. And yeah, let's go to my DEN so I can do my SCF. Sweet Conspiracy Friday. Sweet Conspiracy Friday. And this conspiracy video is going to be about the war. And what I mean is about the Phantom War. And most of you would probably know that if you have seen Julian 2's videos. And I have. This is my own theory, so do not say I copyrighted him. This was all my own doing, which is extremely hard for me because I have a lot of stuff going on in my life right now that I'd rather not talk about. So yeah, let's just start the video. This is going to be a conspiracy about our phantoms. Actually, phantoms. And you're going to be wondering or saying, yeah, those are phantoms, yeah. But that's not the title of the video. This is it's more specifically like what type of phantoms there are and can phantoms fuse. And this is talking about the Phantom King, which I'll show you right here. Oh, my layered phantoms gone. And Phantom over here. And these two phantoms look a little bit strange, don't you think? If normal phantoms look like this, then how does the phantom guards look like this? So I thought, wait, can the phantoms actually fuse? And you're probably wondering, well, why would you say that? No. Just no. No, Zed Luffy, no! They're already really hard to beat, and not even an Alpha Sword can hit them. You have to, use that to clear obstacles with their 50 damage and stuff. But no! They're already way too OP. But, no, because we already have Phantom armor. So, no. It's most likely to be no. But what if phantoms were, their spirits were locked into these armors, and to obtain their powers you had to find them from the Phantom games, which is the every adventure into Ma that's in hard mode for Greeley. The search for Greeley to be exact. So if you do the search for Greeley hard mode, you can get these items. But why search for Greeley and not Greeley's volcano? Well, maybe it's because that Greeley put in the spirits of phantoms and locked them inside these. And the only thing that destroys my theory is because Animal Jam is a kids game. So it is not advertised and not supported by Animal Jam to do something so wicked. Even though Greeley is a little bit shady, he actually does care for his fellow alphas and comrades. And he's my favorite alpha, and I got him on the test the last time. So yeah. Greeley is my fave for a long time, and I got him for the test, and I think he has some positive institution. And I think we should support him for what he does, because after all, this is all just for the research for Graham and Sir Gilbert and Greeley's research to create new stuff like Mega Chompers, plants that were like transformed by Graham. And yeah. So basically Cosmo made all of these wonderful plants for us, and Graham Cracker turned them into hacks, clams by nature development, and man-eating iron robot stuff. And I couldn't find the image for it, but I'm sure most of you have seen it already. Those Mega Chomper plants, the robotic chompers, it's destroyed by nature. I like Team Ampari, but Graham doesn't really work well for me. Honestly, Graham kind of creeps me out a little bit, but not really. I'm more scared of Liza and Peck. Those two are the scariest in my opinion. Tell me in the comments below. So yeah, I think that's stuff. So yeah. Welcome back. So I think that Relay had locked them into locks that Graham made for him, and now it's just completely like that. And phantoms can actually become goo as well that you can type up yourself. Those eyeballs are even items in Animal Jam. They're like loose. And yeah. So that's why I think that Animal Jam has kind of made the wrong way for the robotic ones, but they are awesome. I have to admit they are pretty rad, but they aren't really kid appropriate if people look really deep into it. So yeah. Tell me your thoughts on this below. I will make a part 2 about this tomorrow, even though that won't be like SCF or something. This isn't really SUNscribe, but yeah. So see you guys later. Bye!